Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Frank, back with another video for you today, helping you create a successful flower business. Today I wanted to share a real quick tip for you that is really going to help your business potentially stand out from all of the competition in your immediate local area. And this is a tip that you're going to put to use on your Google My Business listing. Now, if you're familiar with utilizing your Google My Business listing, you know first impressions are everything in order to get people to click on your information and seek out more content that you've got to share with them on your website. Ultimately, for professional florists, I have to say, really, the one key component that is going to get that click is a photo image. If you are managing your Google My Business listing, you know that the cover photo that is included in your business listing is one of the very first images that is shared with people when they are doing a Google search for businesses like yours in your area. That cover photo is one of the very first photos that Google shares with them in your listing when it comes up and they click on it for more information. Now, like many other people, I'm sure you have probably had the experience of uploading a specific image you want to have as your cover photo in your Google My Business listing, only to find out after the fact, maybe a couple weeks later or a couple months later, that the image that you selected is not the one that is listed for your cover photo and that is showing up on Google when people do those Google searches. Now, this is the trick that will help to ensure a little bit that the image that you get as your cover photo is the one that you select. It is not a guarantee because, as you all know, we don't completely have control of our Google My Business listing. Yes, you can claim your Google My Business listing, and yes, you can keep all of your information up to date, etc. But some of the informational content that you have listed, if Google decides some other aspect of that information is actually more accurate, they actually have the ability to share that with people in their Google searches instead of ones that you share. So this tip is specifically for photo images. And if you're not totally familiar with utilizing your Google My Business listing, one, I would consider it kind of a webmaster tool in a way that is free for anybody to use that has a listing on their Google My Business listings, and that is a free website. To do this trick that will help you create a cover photo image that is going to help you stand out in people's Google searches is by utilizing the image in your header in this free website that is provided to you and you can utilize through Google. This website that you're going to use, you actually access and can add content to it through your Google My Business listing. Basically, in your dashboard, you're going to scroll down to the settings and switch over to the website for Google. And this is where you will immediately see the header for that website that you have through Google. Now, this is where kind of the trick comes in. If you utilize and select an image that you want to really represent your business, if you make a point of including with that business some graphics such as your logo for your business that includes your business name, that's going to help trigger and give Google the indication that this image is of your business. So once you add this image to the header of your free website on Google, this image that you add to your header is automatically going to be added to the photo images in your Google My Business listing. And what is a little more accurate with this picture is it's going to help you by being added as the cover photo in your photo gallery for your Google My Business listing. So this is where it really helps to have your logo and your business name included with this picture. Now, if you feel like you're not all that tech savvy and you're not familiar with adding content to images like photo overlays and graphic overlays, etc., I really encourage you to check out Canva, which I will definitely share a link to down below. It's an online cloud-based video and photo image editing program, basically. You can do all kinds of things with Canva. But there is a free version and there's a whole lot that you can do with it. And Canva is one that I use so much, I actually pay for their pro version, which enables you to do quite a bit more. But even with the free version, you can do a lot. And you can definitely create a really great logo for yourself. So that's the trick, is getting some text overlay that includes your business name and potentially your logo onto the photo image that you want as your header on your website for Google, as well as once it gets added to your cover photo on your Google My Business listing. All of these types of images are going to help you stand out. And if you make a point of doing it through your Google My Business listing website as your header, that's going to help ensure that it is going to show up as your cover photo in your Google My Business listing. The trick is just to keep tabs on it and every once in a while take a look and make sure that you've got the image that you want in that location. Periodically, you might need to update it and change it back to what you would like. Hopefully you found this information helpful today, and if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot and helps encourage YouTube to share this video with more people to see. If you like seeing content like this on a regular basis, consider subscribing to my channel down below, and if you hit that bell icon, that way you'll get notifications when I do upload new content for you. I upload new content every week, specifically on the topics of helping people create a successful flower business. So until I get the next video uploaded, I've got some other videos over here in the end screen that you might want to check out, specifically helping you optimize your Google My Business listing. So until I see you over there, be well everybody, and then get on your Google My Business dashboard and work on updating it. A little bit here and there goes a long way. We'll see you soon.